Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for anyone new, welcome to my channel. As you saw by the title, today we are going to be talking about the new Curlsmith bonding oil that they have added to their strength recipe line. For anyone who's not familiar, the Curlsmith strength recipe line is their line that is packed with protein to help strengthen your hair and improve elasticity and help with definition. Today I'm going to be talking about some of the ingredients in the new bonding oil, and then I'm going to show you guys how I incorporated it into my routine to get these results. But first, I wanted to talk about some of the other products that they have in their strength recipe line. Curlsmith also has their core strength shampoo, their bond curl rehab salve, which is a bonding treatment. They have their Featherlight protein cream, which is a leave-in, and they have their bouncy strength volume foam. They also have their Shape Up Aqua Gel with a level 5 hold, and now they have added their new bonding oil. Their bonding oil is a protein-rich, super lightweight oil that can help to repair damage, seal in moisture, and add shine. This bonding oil can be used as a finisher, but it also pairs well with the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, so I wanted to show you guys how I use them together. After dampening my hair and giving it a light detangle, I went ahead and sectioned my hair just to make sure that I have a nice even application of the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and then I began applying it in sections. Just like I've shown you guys before, I go in and I apply the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, and then I like to brush it in just to ensure that I'm having an even application. And then before I twist my curls to train them like I usually do, I'm going in with that bonding oil just to really seal in the Rehab Salve and make sure that my curls are getting all of those extra benefits that the bonding oil offers. Some of the ingredients in the bonding oil are quinoa, lentil, chickpea protein, sea buckthorn, castor seeds, and apricot kernel. So I just simply followed those steps all throughout the sections, applying the Bond Curl Rehab Salve, brushing it through, and then applying that bonding oil to seal everything in and to get that extra bonding action. And then I like to twist my curls into two-strand twists to train them because hair does have memory, and I feel like this helps me to have even more definition at the end. And since I am strengthening my hair and repairing it, why not repair it nice and twisted and curled the way I like? This really helps with clumps at the end. So once I am done repeating those steps through all of the sections, I just finish off with a little bit more of that bonding oil, and then I cover my hair with a plastic cap, and I let that treatment sit for, I like to let it sit for about 20 to 25 minutes, but you can let it sit for up to an hour. After that treatment sat, I shampooed my hair with the Core Strength shampoo and then deep conditioned with the Hydro Cream Soothing Mask before I rinsed my hair with cool water upside down to help with extra volume at the roots. To help to make sure that I don't have a middle part, I'm showing that I separated my hair slightly off center, and then I am going in with the weightless air dry cream and working that through sections. Because I wanted a little bit more hold today, I went in with the Shape Up Aqua Gel. This has a level 5 hold, and I went in and smoothed that in, working through the sections as well, and then I scrunched. My trouble area is in the back of my head, so I like to flip my head over and shingle pieces for extra definition, and by flipping my head, it helps the volume too. And then I scrunched out the excess water and product before I go in and diffused. I like to diffuse using the high speed, and then I use the medium temperature, and I will use the cool shot button just to make sure that it doesn't get too hot. The bonding oil works best when you use it on dry hair, so after I diffused my hair to about 90% dry, I went in with the bonding oil and started to scrunch out the cast that was created by the gel. This is also going to help to create lots of extra shine, and it's going to seal in moisture. I love how fast this bonding oil absorbs into your hair so it doesn't feel greasy, and as you see, my hair is not weighed down at all. So after I scrunched that in, I finished diffusing, and then I still have some ends that still have blonde on them that are still repairing from curl rehab, so I really go in and use the bonding oil on those because it can help to reduce the appearance of damage. So once I was done, I picked out my roots, and these were my final results. I really love how defined and shiny my curls are. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below what you think about my results. I have links down below for all of the products that I use today, and of course, I'll have a link down below for the new Curlsmith bonding oil. If you decide to incorporate it into your routine the way that I did today, make sure you tag me so I can see your results. And thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.